Hi, I'm Kate. This is my sweetheart, Paul. We are the founders of Rustica Hardware. Welcome to Installing Inspiration.
We're going to show you how to live in art and live inspired. Let's go.
Let's go.
We've got our track, our hangers, our header, right? So let's get this thing installed. First step, header, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the benefit of a header is that we can install the header to the studs, and then we can install the track to the header, right?
That's right.
That gives us a solid substrate instead of having to drill through our track.
Yeah, if we had planned for this barn door beforehand, in the framing, we would have put blocking inside the wall. But since we didn't do that, we can easily add the barn doors on top of the wall by just having a header.
Perfect, so let's go ahead and get this header installed.
Let's get it.
Okay, we've got the header in place and we've marked where all the studs are so that we can line up the screws going through the header and into the studs. And so now we can just go through and drill these screws through the header and into the studs here.
That's right, babe. This is going to be a nice firm anchor to attach our barn door system to.
Okay, so we've drilled our holes for our track, and the way we measured for that is we took the height of the door and then added 2 1/4 inches to get our center line for the track.
That's right, babe. Remember, you've got to add a 1/2 inch to the bottom for the guide and 1 5/8 inch to the top of the door.
Should we make sure we did it right here?
Let's double check.
Okay. Perfect.
Nice, babe.
Okay.